Welcome to Nilodor's multi-purpose odor control program. Don't just clean, clean and deodorize with professional power. This program is great for dumpsters, warehouses, trash rooms, loading docks, compactor and recycling areas, trash chutes, and more. Dumpster cleaning and deodorizing. Chute and Dumpster Wash Plus is a Bio-Enzymatic cleaner. Eliminates severe odors 24/7. Contains grease-loving bacteria and citrus oils. Great long-lasting fragrance. Safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly, and can be sprayed. Our dispenser makes cleaning and deodorizing simple and easy. Dispenser works with a standard garden hose. Just turn the dial to the on position to automatically dispense 3 ounces per gallon. It is great for outside of the dumpster and surrounding areas. Nilodew deodorizing granules are easy to apply, safe and non-toxic, neutralizes severe odors 24/7, natural clay-based ingredient, environmentally friendly, contains a natural pest deterrent, and 1 to 2 pounds lasts 5 to 7 days in an average size dumpster. Sprinkle 1 to 2 pounds in an average size empty dumpster. Loading dock cleaning and deodorizing. Turn dial to on position to clean with product. Turn dial to water and rinse areas if necessary.